Hi, Dayo
Dayo
Kalina.
Kalina.
We're here in Tagum City with Sheena. We'd just like to give you a encouraging message before you leave for Japan.
Okay. So, sorry kasi hindi ako naka-join sa national presentation nyo, but I heard that you did a great job. Congratulations sa inyo. Ang galing-galing nyo lahat. And my hope is that sana sa pagsakay nyo sa barko, isipin nyo parate na isa lang talaga kayo. One Philippines, one Dayo Kalinaw. And don't forget that you are the best representative of the Philippines this year. Kaya lagi niyong isa puso. We love you guys. I love you all.
Hi, Dayo Kalinaw. Sorry hindi ako nakapunta sa last session with our batch, but know that in my heart, I always believe that you guys will do your best on board. And kahit marami kayong pinagdaanan, it might have been a rough journey for you, but always believe that the trials that you're undergoing is to create diamond in your life. No? So lahat ng pressure, it will create something beautiful in due time. So keep holding on, keep trusting each other, keep loving each other, and most importantly, don't forget to pray and ask the guidance of God in your daily activities. So again, Sheena and I, we're very excited for your trip. Aalis na kayo, and we wish you all the best and best of luck for everyone. Bye-bye!
Bye!